Hello viewers, welcome back to Nana's Kitchen. Today is another special day to share a recipe with you. I have with me garlic, onion, spring onion. I will blend all together. That's what I will use to steam my meat. So in a pot, I add my clean goat meat and my snails. Then I add my blended garlic ginger. Add salt and seasonings. I stir everything together. Cook for 20 minutes. Checking on my meat, I give it a good stir. Add a little water. Cover it, let it cook for another 20 minutes. Can you see now? Now I have with me my palm nut concentrate. It is thick, so I'll take some of it. Add hot water. Stir well until it is well mixed. I'm doing this because some black particles settle at the bottom. Now my meat is well cooked. You can see it. We'll add habanero pepper, tomatoes and onion. Cover it, let it cook for 10 minutes. Take them out and blend. At this point, I'll add my palm nut concentrate. I need more water because it's soup. Now I'll add my blended tomatoes and stir it well. add okra and garden egg. Please, if you see this recipe as useful, please subscribe, share and like. Add my soup spices. I like spices though. Just check out for the soup. Add smoked mackerel. My soup is ready. Wow. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipe. See you in the next video.